How to get connected textures in Minecraft. So first, make sure that you have OptiFine installed. So I have mine right here, so I'm just gonna simply click on it on the Minecraft launcher, then just simply click on play and just wait for the game to load. So I have now opened the Minecraft OptiFine version. Now I'm just gonna simply open up a game or a world. So I'm now here on the world, and I'm just gonna get some glass to show you guys that it works. So I'm gonna get a glass block. So I'm just gonna put it right here. And to make it look connected with the connected textures, we just need to simply click on options, video settings. So on default, it is turned off, so just turn it off. So it will look like this on default. So if you turn it on, just simply go to options, then click on video settings, then click on quality. And here you'll see connected textures. Just simply click on that and it will load up again. And now, as you can see, it is now connected. So the lines are now gone and it looks way better. That's how I basically get connected textures in Minecraft.